Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of installing the Diggz Xenon Plus Kodi build on your Android or Firestick device. This build is widely regarded as one of the best options available, offering a stable and feature-rich experience for all your streaming needs, whether you're using Real Debrid or not. Let's dive right in. First, launch Kodi on your device. Once you're on the home screen, look for the settings icon in the top left corner and click on it. This will take you to the System menu. From here, navigate to System and hover over the Add-ons section. You'll need to enable unknown sources to allow installations from third-party sources. It's crucial to ensure your safety while streaming, so make sure you're connected to a VPN like NordVPN. Now head back to the System page and click on File Manager. Here, select Add Source. In the box that appears, where it says None, type in the URL https://tinyurl.com/diggz123. If that doesn't work, you can also try https://diggz1me/diggzrepo/. After entering the URL, name it Diggz Repo and click OK. While we're at it, let's talk about what the Diggz Xenon build actually is. It's part of the Diggz Chef Wizard and is regularly updated, which means you'll always have access to the latest features and add-ons to enhance your Kodi experience. Now, let's get to the installation process. Go back to the System page, choose Add-ons, and select Install from Zip file. Find the Diggz repo source you just added, and click on the zip file named Diggz_repo as zip. Once the repository is installed, navigate to Install from Repository and select Diggz Repository. In this repository, click on Program Add-ons. Depending on your Kodi version, you'll want to install either the Chef Omega Wizard for Kodi 19 or the Chef Nexus Wizard for Kodi 20 Nexus. After the installation is complete, you'll be directed to a list of builds. Choose the Xenon Plus build and wait for the download to finish. Once the build is installed, it's time for some final setup. Restart Kodi, apply the new skin, and give it a moment to load all the necessary components. If you have a Real Debrid account, now is the perfect time to set it up. This will significantly enhance your streaming experience by providing access to high-quality links. And there you have it. You've successfully installed the Diggz Xenon Plus Kodi build. Enjoy exploring all the features and add-ons it has to offer.